Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Cardano. Wanted to keep you updated on this. It's been a while since I covered this, but I do have thoughts on this. First of all, luckily, and just wanted to do a full update here on the fundamentals, on the technicals, and what to expect both in the short term, but also in the long term. All right, so that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. First of all, excuse my voice. My voice has been gone, and I'm a little bit sick since Christmas. Obviously, an amazing time to get sick, but still, it happened. So excuse me for that. It might be a little bit soft, and I might be a little bit unintelligible. So I'll try to make it all as clear as possible. Right. So first of all, fundamentally, if we take a look at Cardano right here, what you can see here is something that's not necessarily great, right? We obviously, I mean, what we saw during the later part of November, but also the start of December, that these older coins, such as Cardano, but also XRP, which XRP is holding on better than Cardano right now, I would say, but with all of them, also Polkadot, Hedera, Stellar, Algorand, all did quite well. So what we saw with that is also more network activity in terms of daily active addresses, daily transactions, the DEX trading volumes, TVL, all went up and everything looked great. Right now it's all in a downtrend, all right? And that is very much what I think you need to know most about Cardano right now. And that is that at this point of time, it is quite bearish. We're still in the top 10 in market cap, which I think is pretty phenomenal. And I do think if you compare this chart, all right, so if you compare the price of the 6th of November to the price right now, and you do that for most altcoins since the 6th of November, Cardano is one of the strongest cryptos still. All right, so don't get that wrong. Right, Cardano is still looking pretty good here. It's just that if we take a look at the 12-hour time frame, as you can see right here, we have already flipped bearish since the 18th of December. And on the 4-hour time frame, it's even more clear where we already had some sort of a downtrend going, and then after the bearish momentum of last week, Friday and Saturday, we had one more kind of fake out here. But outside, excuse me. But outside of that, the main kind of key level we had was 95 cents. And you can see that we very much have respected that as resistance, which is a bearish confirmation technically. So that in combination with, well, the fundamentals and also, let's be honest, the markets a little bit here, especially looking at the altcoin markets, which you can see right here, we've also lost the uptrend there. So is this weird? No, right? It's actually in line with the market. And like I said, I would even go as far as saying that Cardano is even a little bit stronger than most altcoins, or at least a good percentage of the altcoins. So what's next? First of all, we're going to get volatility. All right, volume in the markets right now is very low. So what's going to happen next week or the week thereafter, where we actually get some new volume back in the markets, is we're going to get volatility. And for now, I think we have to assume that we'll actually stay bearish with Cardano on the lower time frames. So then what we'll have to look at, and the main level that I'm very interested in, if you go to the higher time frames, is the previous highs we made at the beginning of last year and May or March last year, which was basically we found resistance and we kind of moved in this area right here between 80 and 70 cents. And what we have now as well is that on the lower time frames, we have some strong Fibonacci levels there. There's strong psychological support levels there. We have the 200 EMA there. So I would say it's most likely that there we actually have a chance to find a bottom and to stop this downtrend, which is ultimately what we want to do. So for now, I would say it's most likely we'll do something like this. And then somewhere in that level between 75 and 70 cents, I would say it's more like, well, between 80 and 70 cents. And I would say it's most likely going to be towards the bottom end of that area. I think we'll actually find some strong support. We might spike down lower, but ultimately I think we'll hold that support as a foundation to range upon. And then from that range, later in 2025, I think we can actually start an uptrend again. But that's for later, all right? For now, I would say this is most likely. That's what to expect given the market circumstances. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.